Someone told me I could make 700 monetizable YouTube videos in 18 minutes using AI. And because I'm a stick figure with no better judgment and a lot of free time, I actually tried it. What happened next is either inspiring or deeply concerning, depending on how much you want to believe the dream. I'm Stickman Matt. Main channel Matt dared me to test this specific claim because he'd seen the video and was, in his words, cautiously skeptical, which from Matt basically means he was 90% sure it was garbage, but didn't want to waste his own time finding out. So here I am. You're welcome. Let's talk about the claim first. The idea is that you can use AI automation tools to generate hundreds of short-form videos in minutes, batch upload them, and watch the passive income roll in. And look, on the surface, this sounds incredible. 700 videos, 18 minutes. If it actually worked the way it was described, every creator on Earth would be doing it. So either everyone is missing something obvious, or the claim is not the whole story. Here's what the actual process looks like when you try it. You load up an AI tool, usually something like InVideo AI or a similar batch automation platform. You give it a topic or a keyword list, and it generates videos by pulling stock footage, adding text overlays, and stitching it together with a template. It can technically produce a lot of outputs in a short time. That part is real. Here's what's not in the headline. The quality of those videos is, to put it gently, immediately recognizable as AI slop. Same stock footage library that 40,000 other channels use. Same template, same pacing, same feel of content that was built by a machine that has never once wondered what makes a video actually good, and YouTube knows. The algorithm has gotten very good at identifying channels that are producing cookie-cutter batch content, and the CTR on those videos reflects it. I tested this side by side. I took the same topic, YouTube growth strategy for small channels, and produced one version through batch AI automation, and one version with a proper script written using VidAI and a real voiceover through 11 Labs. The batch AI version got a 1.2% click-through rate and an average view duration of 11 seconds. 11. The scripted version with a real hook and intentional structure got a 4.8% CTR and held people for over 4 minutes. Now, 4 minutes might not sound like a lot, but it's the difference between a video YouTube buries and a video YouTube starts testing on wider audiences. That gap between 11 seconds and 4 minutes of watch time is the difference between a channel that grows and a channel that just has a lot of videos sitting there doing nothing. So let's be very clear about what AI automation can and cannot do for your Faceless channel, because the truth is somewhere between the hype and the cynicism, AI can absolutely help you produce faster. Tools like VidAI can cut your scripting research time in half, help you build outlines, and generate first drafts that you then shape into something with real personality. That's not automation in the lazy sense. That's using the right tool to remove the friction in a process you're still directing with your own creative judgment. AI-generated voiceovers through 11 Labs can sound genuinely natural now. I say this as a stick figure who has tested a lot of them. If you pick the right voice, adjust the pacing settings, and run the output through even light editing, viewers often cannot tell. That's a genuine unlock for Faceless creators. AI visuals, auto-generated B-roll, batch stock footage matching, that stuff is still genuinely weak. It's improving fast, but right now in 2025, the best approach is using AI for the script and voice, and spending your creative energy on finding or creating visuals that actually match the emotional tone of your content. That's where the difference shows up. Here's the honest framework. You cannot automate quality. You can automate speed. And speed without quality is just a faster way to produce things nobody watches. The creators winning with AI right now are not the ones pressing a button and walking away. They're the ones using AI to move faster on the things that don't require human judgment and spending more of their actual creative energy on the things that do. Hooks, angles, story structure, those are still human jobs. The 700 videos in 18 minutes story is technically possible. It's just not producing anything worth watching. And a channel full of content nobody watches is not a business. It's a graveyard with a lot of headstones. Build fewer videos, build them better, use AI where it actually helps. That's the actual path. Now, if you want to discover how I run Faceless channels like this and make them into a full business, check out this video next to me, which is a full free course for doing it. I go over the new way of running Faceless channels right now on YouTube. See you there, and tell me in the comments, have you tried any of the batch AI video tools? What actually happened? I read everything, and the real stories are always more interesting than the headlines.